Hi, welcome to the video on Pay Commissions, Unit Regulatory Bodies for Compensation Management, Course Compensation Management. Pay Commissions. Pay Commission is set up by Government of India and give its recommendations regarding changes in salary structure of its employees. First set up in 1946. Since India's independence, 7 pay commissions have been set up on a regular basis to review and make recommendations on the work and pay structure of all civil and military divisions of the Government of India. Let us discuss different pay commissions in India. First Pay Commission. First Pay Commission was established on January 1946 and submitted its report on May 1947 to the Government of India. It recommended that government employees should be paid a living wages. Also recommended that dearness allowances should be given to the employees. Second Pay Commission. The Second Pay Commission was set up in August 1957, 10 years after independence, and it gave its report after 2 years. The Second Pay Commission reiterated the principles on which the salaries have to be determined. It also stated that the pay structure and the working condition of the government employees should be crafted in a way so as to ensure efficient functioning of the system by recruiting persons with a minimum qualifications. Third Pay Commission. The Third Pay Commission, set up in April 1970, gave its report in 1973. It recommended the appointment of temporary employees. Equal payment should be made for equal work, externally competitive compensation to prevent misbalance with other employees. It also recommended dearness allowances should be treated as part and parcel of compensation structure. Fourth Pay Commission. It constituted in June 1983. Its report was given in 3 phases within 4 years, and the financial burden to the government was rupees 12.82 billion. It recommended that dearness allowance should be paid to the employees. Fifth Pay Commission. The Fifth Pay Commission was set up in 1994 at a cost of rupees 17,000 crore. It recommended 40% increase in pay with 30% reduction in manpower over a 3 years of period, increasing contract employment and bringing about greater accountability of government employees. It also emphasized on new means of recruitment and bringing innovations in training, performance appraisal, transfer policies, and greater accountability. Fifth Pay Commission was emphasizing on the importance of scientific human resource management in organizations. Sixth Pay Commission, constituted in July 2006 with a time frame of 18 months. It recommended for 40% of increase in pay. Group D category employees and compensation of secretary level personnel had been recommended for substantial rise. The pay differential between junior employee and senior officer stand increased to 1:12. Seventh Pay Commission. The Government of India has initiated the process to constitute Seventh Pay Commission in February 2014. It recommended a new pay matrix, and the recommendation of the commission was approved by the government. The minimum pay has been increased from rupees 7,000 to 18,000 per month. This is all about the glimpse of different pay commissions constituted in India.